Hi and welcome to my kitchen. So today we're going to be making possibly the lightest and fluffiest pancakes that you have ever made or you have ever eaten. To do that we need to follow these 3 steps. So step number 1, we're going to include some whipped egg white into the batter. So that's going to help towards that lovely aerated, light and fluffy texture. Step number 2, we're going to add a small amount of baking powder into the mix. So that's going to give us a bit of hybrid between a crepe and an American style pancake. Step number 3, we're going to cook the pancake in butter, of course, but we're going to cook it really gently, so you're going to get almost a crumpet style formation of these bubbles that are coming up to the surface. So let's get straight into the recipe. So to start, mix your flour, sugar, baking powder, add your egg yolk and your milk, and mix that well to combine. So let's add our whipped egg whites in 3 stages, so first with a whisk, then fold using a spoon. Now that's well combined, add some butter to the pan. So you're ready to add your batter to the pan, so add a few spoonfuls and then leave for 2 to 3 minutes until you start to see those bubbles appear on the surface. Flip and a final 2 minutes. Serve up, add some pistachios, add some maple syrup. So that's my recipe for souffle pancakes. I hope you give this a try and you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like and subscribe. Really looking forward to some of your feedback. If you've got any questions, just drop them below. But yeah, enjoy.